Are you in need of a chainsaw, a jackhammer, a lawnmower, a hammer, a black dildo? Well, my friends, you are in luck because here at Tools R Us, we have all that stuff and so much more. I need to cut my grass. My grass is so long. I need to cut it, but I do not have a lawnmower. How will I get a lawnmower? What will I do? Call Tools R Us! I need to hammer this nail into the wall, but I do not have a hammer. So help me God, I do not have a hammer. Whatever will I do? Call Tools R Us! I need to call Tools R Us! It's as simple as 1, 2, 4. Pick up your phone and dial 954-55254-655-33324 882456 78245 221 5. Tools R Us. We know too.